In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing Jenkins on macOS. Ensure Java is installed on your machine since Jenkins is a Java-based application. Go to Google and search for Jenkins download. Click on the first link and scroll down to the Long-Term Support section. Click on the macOS link. The page suggests installing Jenkins using the brew package manager. Execute the provided brew install command for the latest LTS version. Add brew binary to your system path if needed. Rerun the command to install Jenkins LTS. This will take some time to complete. Make a note of messages at the end of the installation process. Following the installation, initiate the Jenkins service using the command provided in the displayed message, which matches the information available on the installation page. Brew service start Jenkins LTS. Upon completion, check for the message indicating the successful start of the Jenkins service running in the background. Open your browser and go to http://localhost 8080. Follow on-screen instructions. Copy and paste the Jenkins admin password from the file path mentioned on the UI from your terminal. Click on Install Suggested Plugins. This setup may take some time. Provide username, password, full name, and email address. Note down the username and password for future logins. You can keep the default port or change it in the Jenkins URL. Click on Save and Finish and then start using Jenkins. Congratulations! Your Jenkins installation and setup are complete. Check the Jenkins service running in the background using ps-eaf and grep for Jenkins. To stop Jenkins, use brew services stop Jenkins LTS. Verify no background process is running for Jenkins. Accessing the Jenkins UI won't be possible since the service is down. Start the service again using brew services start Jenkins LTS. Check for the background process and try accessing the Jenkins UI using the earlier noted username and password. Congratulations! You've successfully installed, configured, and restarted Jenkins. Here's a summary of what we've learned in this tutorial. 1. Installing Jenkins. 2. Starting Jenkins service. 3. Stopping Jenkins service. 4. To verify if Jenkins is running in the background and 5. Accessing Jenkins UI. Next, we'll explore creating our first Jenkins job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.